Hey guys, if you want to know how to install ChatGPT into your Google Documents, this video is for you. So first of all, you need to go into Extensions and Add-ons. Then just search for this extension right here. Let's install it and give it the required permissions. Now we can go into Extensions and we can check it's installed correctly. Now you need to put your OpenAI key. To get yours, you just need to click this link right here and it will automatically redirect you to the site. As you can see, I'm getting an error because I need to have an OpenAI paid plan, but if you have a paid plan, it will work correctly. And that's it. Now you can do different things such as fixing the grammar and spelling of your document, translating it, or you can even write your custom prompt. If this tutorial was useful for you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching.